Welcome to PET Engineering College, Valliyur, Tamil Nadu. On the 3rd of May 2024, our institution had the honor of hosting MOE-sponsored Impact Lecture Series organized by IAC PETEC. The Impact Lecture Series was a significant occasion, drawing in both engineering and management students from our college. The primary objective of this session to guide our students on their entrepreneurial journey, providing them with invaluable insights into the process and funding opportunities available for startups. Expert speakers share their knowledge and expertise, helping students to navigate the complex landscape of entrepreneurship. This session not only inspired budding entrepreneurs but also equipped them with practical tools and strategies to turn their innovative ideas into successful ventures. The Impact Lecture Series was immensely beneficial not just for the students but also for our faculty and institution as a whole. It fostered a culture of innovation and provided a platform for collaborative learning, paving the way for future advancement and partnerships. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to the All India Council for Technical Education AICTE and Ministry of Education MOE and Institutional Innovation Council IIC for their unwavering support and sponsorship. Their contribution made this enlightening session possible, empowering our students to dream big and achieve their entrepreneurial goal. Together we are shaping the future of innovation and entrepreneurship at PET Engineering College. Thank you for being part of this journey.
The IoT revolution, because here today IoT is revolutionizing the world, isn't it? So wherever you see IoT comes. We are using a projector. In a projector, what is there? A camera is there, isn't it? So it is projecting whatever is present in my laptop. It is projecting to a screen, isn't it? So in that way, IoT and the backbone of IoT is the sensors. So the sensors and IoT concepts you are using in every day-to-day life.